Wind. This is my Airstream that hasn't been named yet, but we're gonna get there. I bought it a few days ago and I'm gonna renovate the whole thing, just completely gut it. My dad found a listing on Craigslist and it was a gem, like could not find a better deal. So we went, we saw it. It hadn't been towed in 2.5 years, but it was towable, so we towed it and now it's home. But general quick tour, it's obviously a disaster because it's brand new to me, but it hasn't been in commission forever. So everything is original still. We have the original awning from the 70s. It's in prime condition. I'm not gonna open it yet because it's a pain in the ass and one of the mechanisms is broken slightly, but brand new basically, and it's gorgeous. So that's gonna be like one of the biggest highlights of the whole thing because I don't have to replace it, which is very expensive. So this is it. The screen door is in great condition, which is shocking because all screen doors eventually break, but this is the original one from 77. Also, this is the model Trade Wind, so it's about 25 feet in length. Anyway, so now the original windows, obviously there are like some little things that need to be fixed up. That screen that broke, but exterior is in great condition. There's a couple little nicks, like there's one right here. I'm hoping that I can fix that, or I'll just end up replacing this panel. I don't know if it'll be worth it. We'll see. And then there are a couple down here that hopefully when I gut the thing, I'll be able to push these out and fix it. But generally speaking, the exterior is in great condition. We're missing the letter E in Airstream here, which is kind of sad. So if anyone knows where I can get an E, let me know. But again, like everything's in great condition. I'll probably end up extending this tongue to be a little bit longer. So when you tow it, it's like a little bit scarily close to your car, which I don't love, but we'll see, who knows. Anyway, this is the inside. The stairs don't work yet, but we'll get there. So it's obviously dark because none of the electric works, but these are all the original slider shelves from the 70s. And then I think all the subfloor and everything is the same, but I'm actually not positive, so don't quote me on that. So basically, we're gonna change the whole layout. So right now, this was like the seating area. These are the original cushions, but they were reupholstered at some point. I'm gonna try and reuse them, but since I'm changing the layout of the seating, I don't know if they'll be usable or not. So anyway, all that's changing. Then this was the kitchen. Obviously, there's nothing here anymore. There's all of the tanks below here. I don't know what condition they're in. They're pretty safe because all of the original plating is still down there. So they should be all in good condition, but I don't know yet. So then this is what was, I guess, the master bedroom, you would say, with all the original storage down here and up here. This will not be here anymore. I'm gonna move things around. This was the bathroom. There's a little bit of frame rust in the back, which you can kind of see over here. It's not that bad. This is not the main supporting steel back there. The steel I-beams that run the length of it are more important, so that can be welded. My dad thankfully knows how to weld, so he and I are gonna fix that up. So there's that. But all of this is gonna move to here, and then this is gonna be the bathroom, this is gonna be the bedroom, and then the kitchen is gonna be generally in the same place, and same with the couch. But obviously there needs to be a lot of work because I have to gut the entire thing, and I have no idea what I'm doing. And I'm gonna learn as I go, and I'm gonna ask for a lot of help from everyone else. So this is my Airstream, unnamed, and yeah, I got it for $3,700. It was originally listed for $4,000. I talked him down a little bit of money because of that rust and because it requires a bit more like expertise in welding, and that costs generally quite a bit of money. Like I said, gem. You can't really find Airstreams that are exterior wise in this good of condition for this cheap anymore. It's just almost impossible. Everything else I found was like 10 grand and up. And while I did budget for that, I was obviously super excited to spend way less, which means I could put more money into it and make it as sustainable as possible, as pretty as possible, and as light as possible, because obviously you tow it, so I don't want it to weigh like 1 billion pounds. That's the tour. It's gonna look hopefully drastically different by the end of the journey, but I'm really excited, terrified, like super scared that I'm gonna mess something up and it's not gonna be the best investment ever. But I don't know, everyone seems pumped about it, so I'm staying positive. So if you come up with any names, let me know. I'm thinking Blippi right now, but I don't know. That's what my uncle suggested. I don't think it's gonna stick. But yeah, welcome to the journey. It's gonna be a long one.